How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to do so step by step. Whether you want to break from social media or just some privacy, this guide has got you covered. So let's get started. We can start by opening up the Facebook app on our phone for that, or go to facebook.com in your browser and look out for the menu icon, usually in the top left corner. Tap on it and go ahead and access the menu. Now from here, go to settings and privacy, drop it down and then select the settings option from the menu. Once you select it, we can just go over and scroll to the section for account center. Tap on it, the very first option, and within there select the option for personal details and go ahead and tap on it. Now once we have tapped on it, the space opens up. You can look out for the account ownership and control option from the menu and just go over and tap on it. You can just select it, and there you'll be finding two options. You need to select the second option called deactivate or deletion. So tap on it and you can select our Facebook account. Once we've done that, we need to select the first option called deactivating your account and tap on continue. And then we just need to follow the prompts. So when you go ahead and deactivate your account, all of the additional profiles will also be deleted. You can select it and tap on continue. And once we've done that, at last, we just need to go over and for security reason, provide in our password and just go over and continue the process and select up a reason why you would like to deactivate your account and confirm it up. And now your Facebook account is temporarily deactivated and your profile won't be visible for your friends and people won't be able to search for you, and you can reactivate anytime by logging back in. And that's it. That's how you deactivate your Facebook account. So if this guide helped, smash that like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and see you in next video.